If you are wondering if you have some AI tools available on the Motorola Moto G56, then the answer is yes. However, only few options are actually available on this phone. For example, Moto AI is generally speaking available on most Motorola phones, however, not in this phone. So if you're looking for Moto AI, it is not available on this phone. However, there are some other stuff that can be considered as AI, or at least Motorola considers them as AI because they are labeled as AI. So for example, if you go to settings, you should be able to go to sound and vibration, and over here we have Crystal Talk AI, which reduces background noise for VoIP calls. Is it truly AI? I'm not sure, but it is named as AI. The same thing can be said about the optimized charging that we can find in battery. If you go to battery and go to optimized charging, we can read over here that this feature uses AI to learn your charging patterns. However, I'm feeling quite skeptical if it's actually AI, because nowadays companies use the AI term because it's just popular, because it's fancy to use it. Whether it is truly AI or not, I can't really tell. But at least Motorola says that it is in fact AI. And besides that, we can go to camera, and if you open camera settings over here, you should be able to find AI audio, which is used for videos. So if you zoom in while recording a video, you should be able to amplify audio, which also is labeled as AI, as you can of course see over here. Now, there are also some Google AI tools, which are, well, since they are Google, they are really not specific for Motorola, because we can also find them on pretty much every other smartphone nowadays, especially on the newest ones. But what I'm talking about is, of course, Circle to Search, which allows you to just press and hold the home button or the navigation handle, and by selecting something on the screen or drawing a circle around the subject, you should be able to get Google search results, which I think this can be considered as AI. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.